In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude. To get started, open Claude and go to your chat screen. From here, you can either click New Chat to begin a fresh conversation or select an existing chat if you want to continue working in one you already have open. Both options work, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your workflow. If you're starting a new analysis, a new chat can help keep things organized. If you're already discussing related data, using the same conversation may give Claude more context. Once you're inside the chat, look at the prompt field where you normally type your message. Near that area, click the plus icon. This opens the attachment options and lets you add content directly into the conversation. It's a simple step, but it's the key to getting your Excel file into Claude so it can review the information for you. After clicking the plus icon, choose the option that says Add Files or Photos. This will open your file browser so you can locate the Excel spreadsheet you want to upload. Find your file, select it, and upload it into the chat. Make sure you choose the correct spreadsheet, especially if you have multiple versions saved on your computer. It's a good idea to quickly check the file name before confirming, just to avoid analyzing the wrong document. Once the Excel file has been attached, go back to the prompt box and type your request. For example, you can say something like, "Summarize this Excel file for me." You can also phrase it in a simple, natural way, depending on what you need. The main idea is to give Claude a clear instruction so it knows how to analyze the spreadsheet. If your request is straightforward, your results are usually easier to understand. After that, send your message and let Claude process the file and your prompt together. Claude will review the uploaded spreadsheet and respond based on the data inside it. And that's all there is to it. Open a chat, click the plus icon, choose Add Files or Photos, upload your Excel file and enter your prompt. It's a quick and easy way to get help analyzing spreadsheet data inside Claude.